restraint. We call upon the party's elected leadership and the wider membership to uphold the tenets of unity and camaraderie espoused by the late Raila Odinga. It is time to walk back on the rhetoric and come together to build a strong party ahead of next year's general elections. Given the positions of trust bestowed on them, we urge the party officials, including Secretary General Senator Edwin Sifuna and the National Assembly Minority Leader, Honorable Junaid Mohammed, to desist from public verbal slurs and return to the table for internal discussions. We encourage the party leader to call for an internal spitting session to avoid the ongoing madfest. Number 4, even as we appear to self-cannibalize, we can't help but curiously observe that small parties are aggressively and strategically moving to occupy the spaces previously held by our beloved ODM party. It is for this reason that we request our party leader, Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, to move with speed, convene the party's organs and help restore public confidence in the party before we begin to hemorrhage members to insignificant political formation. The current intolerance does not augur well for a revolutionary movement that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga founded on the ideals of democracy, free speech, and justice. Signed this 5th day of January 2020.